folks, welcome back to the channel. And I told you, when there was a big bore kit available for the Gen 2 Honda CT 125, I was going to let you all know. Okay, well, I finally found a big bore kit that fits the Gen 2 engine. All right, and this video is about that, so sit back and enjoy it. All right, make sure you subscribe and share and like this damn video, okay? Or I'm cutting off and I'm not doing it anymore. All right, adios. Get you one of these.
I got the 360 camera actually. It's in my bag.
You need to put it in, okay? Do you think there's possibility we could get?
You got the 360?
Yeah. So I actually have this crazy thing too.
Yes.
So I can do some really cool like behind the bike shot.
Haha. You got it. You got to put it on, okay?
Yeah, I will.
And then
like,
put it on a zip drive.
Yeah.
Get it to one of us so they can get it to me so I can put it in the video. But anyhow,
I don't know if I'm very good on camera. I don't like talking.
but I don't know. Just like you were talking right now.
Yeah.
That's basically it. So, just so you know, camera's been rolling while I've been saying this.
Oh.
Okay, so you're doing all right.
So today we got a new member in the group,
Yeah,
a young guy.
yeah. Carrie,
Corey.
Corey. I've been saying it wrong all this time.
He's from Canada.
Oh, he's from Canada. What the hell? Okay.
And he got the Gen 2 bike.
Yes. Now we need to sit back and highlight this bike, but
We're going to talk about that later.
your helmet's in the way.
We're going to talk about that later, but
Okay.
today
First off,
we are doing the Gold Diggers.
Gold
trail.
Diggers ride. Okay. You'll understand when we get there. All right.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
There's a rumor that there is some hidden gold nuggets up there, far up in the jungle in a secret creek.
In
And
a
we are
se-
going there now.
And we're going there, and we're gonna pan for gold. Okay.
Talk to you later.
Have the pan in here. Anyhow, here's the bike. I want you to see it. This is a Gen 2 and it's green. Okay. So do you got a name for your bike?
Still thinking.
The
Yeah.
Hulk.
Oh, the Incredible Hulk.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay. That's what we're gonna call this, the Hulk. Okay. Because it's green and it's got a big bore kit on it and it's a Gen 2 engine. Okay. So hey, we'll talk at them later, right?
Sounds good.
Today's ride is about this green, the Hulk CT, Gen 2 CT with its big bore kit. Now, Corey, did we do a drag race?
We did.
How many times?
I believe 2 times.
And who won? And by how much?
It wasn't that close.
That's just it. It wasn't that close. Okay, and now, today, I found out something that I haven't been able to come out and do, but once I had the head put on it, I got the bike back and I told Robert, I said, man, it just doesn't feel like it's near as fast and as low end power. And then today, I took a different trail coming up this road right back here behind us, and it was rutted and had tree roots going across it. And I got into that stuff, and this wouldn't power itself out. Where I'm pretty sure after riding this bike, you would have had no problem. But also, I think the power that I lost off of here was all low end, and you jumped me on the start like crazy.
But this is a Gen 2 bike with a big bore kit.
Yes.
That's something that we have said that there is no big bore kit for the Gen 2. But now the new guy comes here
Yeah.
and prove us wrong.
Okay, who'd you buy it from?
So I bought it from a company called Kotako. Ordered it on WeBike. So it's a Japanese make,
Uh-huh.
and it's a 145cc kit.
And what did it cost for just the kit?
So there's two options. You can buy it with or without the high camshaft. I bought it without the camshaft, and I opted for a cheaper performance camshaft. But the price I paid was roughly 8,000 or 9,000 Thai baht.
Okay, so we're talking $275, $260 US. Okay, Canadian, that would have been something like what, 12 cents?
At least $1,000.
Okay, all right. Then what all did you have done?
So I opted for a local camshaft from a company called NK Racing in Thailand. And then I have a piggyback ECU by the same company. It's called a Shift Pro. So that's NK Racing as well. And then I have a exhaust pipe neck.
Okay.
So not the full kit.
Let's
to
look at this. Okay, now this is what we were, I think we did say something about, there is an NK exhaust pipe that comes up to right here. It's just the head. And then they take your stock muffler and they gut it out.
Yeah, they cut it up and weld it back together.
Yeah. So,
It looks nice.
yeah, it does look nice. And it kind of sounds like a sewing machine, wouldn't you say? Yeah.
I mean, it sounds a lot better than before.
It does sound much better, but it doesn't have the throaty sound that Robert and I have on our bikes with the Miyazaki pipe.
But the sound isn't that important. The
No, it's the
performance
performance.
Yeah.
And I can tell you right now, okay, his bike performs. And I'm not going to sit back and let the new kid on the block come in with a Gen 2 and outperform El Diablo.
But it's
So-
done that so far, and it's done it on stock tires.
Well, he's a brute. Look how young he is,
Yeah.
okay?
19, 20 maybe.
17,
Yeah.
strong, youthful.
But the
I have a few wrinkles if you look closely. Not quite 19.
but the talking,
That's for me slapping the shit out of your face when you beat me in the drag race twice. Those will go away.
Yeah.
So anyhow,
talking about tires.
yeah. Let's
We've been running the
V-rubber.
V-rubber 2.75 front
Yeah.
and the 3.0 on the back.
And then
but now-
then I went to a 3.25 on the back. And Robert one-upped me. He went and ordered a 3.0 for the front and a 3.25 for the back. And how does it perform?
Great.
Great.
On the old tires I was running 30 psi.
Yeah.
On these tires I run 25.
Okay.
And they're great on the pavement and today on the sand.
Yeah, and we're riding sand, aren't we, Corey?
So should I go for the wider ones when I
I
upgrade?
would do what he's got.
Yeah.
Okay? Because I'm going to eventually go to that.
Yeah.
I got the fender racer here.
Yeah, I want to get that too.
Okay, when you do the fender raiser, just so you know, see this right here? This has got to be, see that? Turned around and pulled out. It's got to be to where it doesn't hang down there because you will bottom out and put a dent. Yeah, show him your, yeah, show him your trophy.
Otherwise you get a dent like that.
Yeah,
It's easy, it's a 10mm spanner.
yeah. See now he's got his, I think it's that low down bracket. He just takes that bracket off and puts that up, right? Okay, yeah. So anyhow, folks, we're gonna rest a little bit, let my bike cool down because it got hot coming up that hill. And then we're gonna continue our ride, right?
Right.
Thumbs up. Except Robert needs me like this. I have to keep this up on the RPM range to have any low end power at all. Okay, so there's no doubt in my mind they swapped cams on me when they did this. So I'm gonna have to take the box of stuff back, find out from him what camshaft he put in here, and if he put the high speed cam in there, that's exactly what it is, high speed.
Yeah, we don't want that.
No, okay,
Oh.
because I have no low end power.
But
So-
you know, your mechanic is a high-speed guy.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Remember, he wanted me to change to a lower rear sprocket,
Yeah.
high speed, no, high speed. I said, no, I want to go like this.
So there we got something. How much did you get?
There's 3 or 4
Yeah, there's a lot.
pieces in here.
Yeah, now we're rich. We're pirates. We found a treasure.
Yeah.
Where?
Thing is we don't want. Oh shit!
Ah, what happened, Eddie?
There goes our first
Ah,
Damn.
damn. The bloody fumbly old falang.
Sand.
I figured.
นี่แหละมอเตอร์ไซค์
ไอ้ตัวจุดเทพ
No, we came from way back there.
แมรีน
ตอนนี้ต้องรอจุดเทพตอนนี้
ไม่ใช่ไปแมรีนไปแมรีน
ขึ้นไป
ใช่
Leo,
โยทู
too?
สองข
You
วด
you
No beer for me.
you old enough to drink?
Almost. โคกหนึ่งขวดครับ
ลกโคกเล็ก
original. Oh, let cup.
Had to do that to you. Sorry.
Oh. Oh no. It's okay.
Yeah,
You want to have the shrimps again?
yeah. We better get 3 of them though.
What are you guys getting? Shrimps?
These, they're really
Oh,
good. What else did we have that was really good?
Did we do the kids menu and
Is that what you got? The kids menu?
French fry and
French fries. Yes,
Yeah.
we did
French
French.
fries and chicken strips. No, เอาอันนี้ครับ
หมูแดด
What that?
Yeah, we're gonna do. You want shrimp or not?
No thank you.
Okay, just 2 shrimps then.
And
Song shrimp. Song.
กุ้งนะ
Song.
กุ้งชุบ
and
Good.
French,
ชุบครับ
Good. Song.
and French fry.
เป็นไฟหนึ่ง
French
Song.
fries.
Song.
No, song.
You want to have drumsticks?
I think that's what we had, wasn't it? I think that's what. Yeah, let's
Any
do the
carbs?
chicken and
Yeah.
surf and turf.
Yeah, one guy.
Yeah.
Only one. I think we did that. We did a kiddie menu last time.
Are you done?
no, I'm trying to decide.
Kids.
Our cow pad. Cow pad guy.
ไก่เล็ก
That cup.
น้ำแข็ง
แข็งด้วย
ใช่
ทิชชู่ไหม
ทิชชู่ครับ อ้าวไม่ใช่ไม่มีทิชชู่ทิชชู่โอเคทิชชู่
เช็ดเนาะ
Tissue. Chai.
Always have to pay extra for that.
That's okay.
มีหมูแดดหนึ่งกุ้งใหญ่ชุบไปทอดสอง
อืม
เป็นไฟรายสอง
อืม
สีไก่หนึ่ง
อืม
ข้าวผัดไก่เล็กหนึ่งดีโอสอง
อืม
โคกเล็กหนึ่งน้ำแข็งทิชชู่
ทิชชู่โอเค
And Namkang. Okay.
Okay.
If we
Okay.
need anything, we'll.
โอเคได้เลย
Oh Christ. No, there's no kids out here swimming. Oh shit! It's Wednesday. Is that your wife?
I don't have one. What do you have?